Today at Jay's Journey, I'm back at my hometown, Singapore, and I'm going to show you something that makes our site here really special and very proud to show it. Our mixed food culture. Starting off, we will start with something local called zicha. It means cooked and fried actually in Chinese and one of the most Singapore popular local dining style. We start off with some deer meat. It's a pan-fried deer meat. It's cooked from this tin wok fire known as wok hei. Then we'll be moving on to some stir-fried egg. It's a simple dish, but it just tastes amazing with the wok cooking. Then we have some lemon chicken cutlet. It's crispy on the outside. The sweet and sour taste make it very savory. And this is called hot plate tofu. It's seasoning hot, so you better be careful when you're tasting it. But it's very savory and the smell is great. Let's keep going because there's so much other dish here that we have to try. And this is actually a sweet fried pork. It's crunchy on the outside with juicy meat inside. And moving on, don't forget our veggies. We have some stir-fried water spinach. It's a local classic vegetable dish. And finally, the jackknife clam is really tender. We normally use glass noodle to cook with it so that it will absorb all the flavors inside. It's a very nice dish. There's a hidden method of eating out the best from zicha. It's the leftover sauce, and you got it right. I'm mixing all the food right now with all the leftover sauce to change the flavor. If you have white rice, even better. The best way actually is to use the sauce and drench it off on your white rice and it will be unstoppable. Next stop, we'll be having some French cuisine in Singapore. It feels classy but local at the same time. This is how the mixed culture came out with the aroma vibe. As usual, in French cuisine, red wine is always a must. And so let's start it. We'll be having some red wine being poured. Follow up with some small bites here. It's a great start of the dinner. And here's a cheers, a toast to all my audience. The small bites are also designed to go along with the wine. It's designed exactly for a bite. So let's begin our meal. There's some fries here. It's a simple and crispy activity food. Then we'll move on with some cheese pasta. It's really creamy and rich and cheesy. Next up is the classic ham and cheese. You will definitely be shocked at how much choice that we are eating in Singapore because we have so much culture. We are so used to different foods. Just like in the morning or in the afternoon, I might be having Chinese food. Now I'm having French food. So that we are all spoiled with choices. And I'm going to do something very Asian. I'm going to use the cheese and go with some chili sauce. And next up, we have some sweet sauce to pair with the tuna. They have charcoal grilled it with some sesame on the outside. I love this variation. This is my second glass of the milk. It's a different variation of red wine. This is more fruity. So let's wash all the food down just now with this wine. Lastly, we have some minced beef. Look at how beautifully they have plated it. This is what I love about Singapore. Every day, I can eat different variation of the food and different culture, different flavors. It's all in one sitting. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more food and travel vibes.